Hello housework haters, and welcome to your daily cleaning motivation video. Today I just want to remind you that it's going to be a good day and everything is going to be okay. You are in control of your life and you're in control of your feelings. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would also love if you like watching Clean With Me videos, if you'd comment in the comments what you look for and what you like about them. And if you really want to get your life in order and your house on cruise control, then please subscribe to my channel.